Hi guys, I'm back to share what I've been working on. In the past couple days I've been working on this altered file folder with a little journal inside. The papers that I used for this is from Victoria Designs on Etsy, and it's called Memories Deluxe Junk Journal Kit. I've had it for quite a while and I never used it. I was searching on my computer. I have so many digital kits that I keep buying when they have sales, and then I forget about them, so I really got to start using them. Anyway, this is what I came up with. I'll show you the outside first. Let me take this stuff out, some of the ephemera out. So this is the paper. And you know what, I forgot to look. I've also used a kit. I'll link it when I'm done with this video. I also used a kit with these lace tags and this lace pocket and different lace things like this this card, and I forgot to write the name down. I'll link it, you know, when I'm done. Okay, so this is the paper that I printed out on cardstock and sewed it to the coffee dyed file folder. And the file folder is 6.5 inches. I cut it. And I did some stamping, collect moments, and some little keys on there. And going with the key theme, I have a little key and a mother of pearl button, a little ticket that came with this kit, a little piece of vintage lace, and then this tag is, I shrunk it down. It was from this lace kit, who I can't remember the name. This is just a little cluster of my little bits, and I made this index card from this lace kit, and I backed it with some coffee dyed lined paper. And then this I cut out on my die machine. It's just a coffee dyed index card, so the lines are on the back. And I thought it was pretty. Kind of reminds me of a doily. And then this is one of the cards from the kit, and I backed it with lined paper and sewed some little bits, vintage bits on there. So that's the front. I just glued some lace on the top. This is the back. This paper I printed out on cardstock to make a pocket is from Old Book Crafts on Etsy. And this is the ticket, a tag, a nice long tag that you can journal on. You could even journal on this front because it's so light. And then I put lined paper on the back. And then this is from the kit, the Memories kit. And I made a little dictionary paper button. This is one of the little doilies from the kit. I shrunk it down. I think that came out cute. And now I will get the journal out. Now here is the journal, and it is just like a TN size, 4 inches wide by 7.5, I think, long. And if you're interested in this set, it'll be in my Etsy store tomorrow, but probably not till late afternoon or evening, because I still didn't take pictures of it or anything. And it's late already. It's 12:30 a.m. and I'm still up, so I know I won't be up early. I can never sleep at night. I stay up late and sleep late. So this is the journal. Coffee dyed heavy cardstock. I love the way the coffee came out on this cardstock. Ugh. Sometimes they don't come out good, sometimes they do. And this paper's from the kit, one of the pages. So when you first open it, I have another big tag from the kit, lined with paper. And I just put this flower here to cover the pointy part of the brad, so it's not hooking and poking anything. I put some vintage bits of doilies for my topper. Little tiny paper clip with this picture from the kit. And in these TN journals that I usually make for the file folders, I like to keep them really slim so they slide in and out of the folder easy, so I don't go all out decorating them like I do with my big journals, my full-size journals. So this does have ephemera in it, and it has coffee dyed pages, but that's all I do to them. I don't do much more to the pages. I just leave it for the person to write in or decorate or do glue things in, whatever they want. So here's some lined paper, some blank paper, little doily from the kit, and a card. And I clipped the card to the doily. It's kind of like a tuck spot, but I didn't want it to fall out, so I put a clip. Here's a little grungy bag that I sprayed with this distress spray with a couple little cards in there. More coffee dyed papers. A lot of blank spaces. There's I think 12 pages, so 24 for counting the back and the front. There's another page, little tiny postcard from the lace kit, and then this is from the memories kit that I clipped in. Another card from the memories kit. Some lined coffee dyed paper. Doily that I grunged up. And these I punched out these teeny tiny doilies for the edges of the string. I took one of these doilies and I just punched out the little teeny like flower shape or doily shape. And I thought that was cute because it has the actual, it looks like a real doily. It's got distress sprays on it. More paper, lots of empty space. Another little doily card and a journal card. Another journal card, another grungy, other half of the grungy bag, postcard, and another little postcard from the kit. And this is the end. And there's a pocket in the back too where I fixed up this card with lined paper and some little vintage snippets. And so that is it. Let me see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, there's 12. 12 pages folded in half, so 24. And I think it came out really cute. I love it. I love making these sets. I've made them before. I've had them in my Etsy shop before, and they always sell because people like them, and they're quick to make, and they're easy. So that's about it. That's what I've been working on. I have a couple more sets of these that I'm making with different kits, though. I did this one with the Memories kit from Victoria Designs, and then I have another one I'm going to use from Junk with Stuff, I think. That's kind of like a vintage ladies and stuff like that. So I'm going to do that one next. And the third one, I'm not sure which kit I'm using yet. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed seeing what I'm working on. I love that little key. And I will be back soon to share some more of my projects. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.